Hello everyone, I'm Siri K, studying at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, 3rd SEM, CSE. I'm gonna discuss about operating system. File system, file concept. Introduction to file system, that is file concept. The file system is a method used to organize and store data on a computer. A file is a collection of data that is stored in a specific location on a storage device. Files can contain various types of data such as text, images, audio, and video. Next is importance of file system in computing. The file system allows users to easily access and manage their data. It provides a hierarchical structure for organizing files and folders. The file system ensures data integrity and security by implementing permissions and access controls. Elements of file system. File name, a unique identifier for a file. File extension, a suffix that indicates the file type, such as .text for text files or .jpg for image files. File size, the amount of storage space occupied in a file by a file. File attributes, read only. Files that can only be accessed for reading and not modified. Hidden, files that are not displayed by default in File Explorers. Archive, files that have been modified since the last backup. Next is file operations. Create, the process of generating a new file. Read, accessing the contents of a file. Write, modifying or adding data to a file. This is about the file operations, that is create, read, and write. Next is file system types. FAT, that is file allocation table, used in older Windows operating systems. NTFS, that is New Technology File System, the default file system for modern Windows operating systems. ext4, fourth extended file system, used in Linux operating systems. This is about the file system types. There are 3 types of file systems here. File path. A file path is a location of a file within the file system. It consists of a directory hierarchy starting from the root directory. File paths can be absolute, that is starting from the root directory, or relative, that is starting from the current directory. This is about the file path. Next is file system fragmentation. Fragmentation occurs when files are stored in non-contiguous blocks on a storage device. Fragmentation can lead to slower file access and reduced storage efficiency. Defragmentation is the process of reorganizing files to reduce fragmentation. This is all about fragmentation, and in fragmentation there is a defragmentation. That is, it is the process of reorganizing files to reduce fragmentation. Next is file compression. File compression reduces the size of a file to save storage space. Compressed files need to be decompressed before they can be accessed or modified. That is the file compression. Popular file compression formats include ZIP, RAR, and 7Z. This is all about file compression. And the next is file system security. File permissions restrict access to files based on user privileges. Access control lists, that is ACLs, allow for more granular control over file access. Encryption can be used to protect sensitive files from unauthorized access, that is, any other person can hack our mobile phones or any other systems. So encryption is basically it is very important to on, like it will protect the sensitive files from unauthorized access, that is random persons or strangers. This is about file system security. The next is file system backups. Regular backups are essential to prevent data loss. Incremental backups only include files that can be modified since the last backup. Full backups include all files and folders, regardless of their modification status. Backup, we must back up our files, which is important because when it is deleted, we can reinstall the app and we can the file can be backups. Yeah. File system recovery. File system recovery processes are used to restore data in the event of data corruption or system failure. File system journaling helps to recover data by keeping track of changes made to the file system. File recovery software can be used to retrieve deleted or lost files, as I told, like file backup. This is also same as like that. Next, at last, conclusion. The file system and file concept are fundamental to how data is organized and stored on computers. Understanding file system concepts helps user effectively manage and access their data. Continuous advancements in file system technology ensure improved performance and security and data integrity. Thank you.